Hi, my name is Avnish Gautam and I'm the CEO of Candidate Optronix Private Limited. We are the distributor of Sumitomo Electric Japan for splicing machine. We are the distributor for Divisor USA for the OTDRs and the test and measuring equipment from cable TV product for cable TV product, and as well as we have a manufacturing plant for optical fiber cable as well as EPON and GPON products, which is situated in Kotdwar. We have the, I think we are proud to say we are the biggest plant in India for all these products. Secondly, I would like to congratulate CNC Group. Basically, we have been participating from the beginning of this exhibition since last almost when they started, exhibition. And fortunately, every time we are getting the positive results from these exhibitions, and we are getting the good footfall and the support from the management of CNC is very very good. And secondly, I have with me Mr. Sanjeev Kumar Mittal. He's from Sumitomo, Japan. He would also like to tell something about this exhibition.
Yeah, myself is Sanjeev Mittal. I am manager at Sumitomo Electric. So we have our headquarters in Japan. So as Avniji said, we are here from Sumitomo, Japan, and this exhibition especially giving us a platform to showcase our product and the wide range of splicing machine which we are making in Japan for India. So if you talk about Sumitomo, then we are making the product considering the Indian conditions, environment, usability, and the way customer use in India. So today, especially in this organization, I remember last year we launched one product. This year also we are launching one more product which will be helpful, and we think this is designed for Indian market and customer will use it and give us a positive feedback. Yeah, definitely market is going well because as the digital India under Mr. Modi is growing, 5G is already rolling out, and then 6G is coming up, and BharatNet is there connecting all villages in India. So there's a huge scope in India which is building up slowly, and now the internet penetration, FTTH penetration is going. Even in the rural areas, you can see people are now trying to utilize the internet facility. So the demand is growing. Of course, competition also is there, but that's a part of the business. So we all are, fully ready for the competition, and we are trying to offering the good product at a better price because India is always a good product at a competitive price. So being Sumitomo Japan, we are trying our best to deliver the what customer need in India. Yeah, as Avniji said, we are participating in since beginning, and always we have a good footfall. Customer is very knowledgeable here. They know which quality of machine or which quality of product they are looking for, and they come and just check the product, and definitely they consider the price plus technical point of the product. This, which is we are trying to offer in this exhibition.